So I'm learning through this engaged life of mine that you never tell your man what you're gonna make him for breakfast, because then he will bitch. Then he will bitch until he gets it in front of his face.
You're the one bitching right now. You're taking all this time to make a video about bitching. You're the one bitching. I just want some fucking pancakes. Make the pancakes.
Happy Monday Minute, y'all. Happy Monday Minute. Okay, ignore the child that we have in the background. But we're gonna make some motherfucking banana pancakes. We're gonna try to make some motherfucking banana pancakes because, well, every time I make pancakes, they're just not that good. Like, I'm really good at making French toast, but not very good at making pancakes. They're either like super doughy or powdery or just not delicious. But I have some super ripe bananas and I'm like, you know what? Let's make some freaking banana pancakes before Jerome pisses me off. Should I make French toast?
I'm just scared about what you just said about your pancakes. We could just have some French toast with some banana slices.
You're such a fucker.
What are you talking about? Hey, I'm gonna make dinner today, but it's probably gonna come out like raw or fucked up in some way. You gonna be hungry?
Okay, now Jerome is saying that I should make freaking French toast because my pancakes aren't sexy. He hasn't even... So I'm just gonna make French toast and cut banana slices on top. This is a mess, but let's do it. Bananas. Got some bread. Got some sugar. Some brown sugar. Some milk. And some eggs. So how I make my amazing French toast, because we're no longer making fucking pancakes, I honestly just throw all the ingredients together, mix them all up, and it just depends really how many people you're feeding. It's just Jerome and myself, and he usually eats about like 3 pieces of French toast. I usually eat about 2, but today he's really talkative, so I think he will maybe eat like 4 pieces because he's just doing the most. So what I like to do is, again, it just depends how much you use. I don't like measure anything because I'm like a typical Mexican Mexicana woman that doesn't measure shit and just like runs with it. So I just throw in some milk and about 2 eggs. And then I kind of go from there. You can always add in more eggs, more milk as you make more and you need more of a mixture, but I always like to start with at least a good amount of milk and then 2 eggs and then just chingles of fucking sugar, brown sugar, and cinnamon. And that, my friends, is how you make the world's best, I guess, banana French toast. French toast banana? No, banana French toast. Jerome loved it. I enjoyed it as always. Maybe next time I'll actually try to make pancakes. Maybe. But yeah, I hope y'all have a super great rest of your week. It's the freaking Monday Minute. And if y'all have any suggestions on how to make fucking pancakes and not fuck it up, please drop it in the comments below. Bye.